Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 fashion hacks that you run into on an everyday basis, and the solutions to your problems are just lying around your house. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading every day until July 21st, which is my birthday, so make sure you put on your post notifications and you won't miss an upload. And if you want to see how to do these fashion hacks, then please just keep on watching. Have a shirt that you just can't wear a bra with because you'll be able to see it? Or is your bra just super uncomfortable because that wire is stabbing you? Just throw that bra away, girl, and take some tape out of your drawer and just tape up your nipples if you don't want people to see them. Problem solved. Ever just look down and your zipper's unzipped? Oh my god, how embarrassing. And you just can't seem to get it to stay up? Just get a key ring and put it through the zipper and then attach it right over to the button. Button up your pants and your problem will be solved and no more embarrassments. Have a new pair of heels that are just so uncomfortable because they're not broken in and you just don't want to put your feet through the pain of having to break them in? Well, all you need to fix that problem is a thick pair of socks and a blow dryer. Just put on the socks, put on the heels, and start to blow dry them. After blow drying them for about 5 minutes, take the socks off, put the heels back on, and when you walk in them, it'll feel like they're already broken in. Oh, ever have a zipper that it just keeps getting stuck and you can't seem to zip it up? Just grab a pencil, draw it onto the zipper, and you'll be able to zip it up with no problem. Have a racerback shirt but no bra to match it? Just take a paper clip and put your straps together and your problem is solved. Oh no! You got deodorant on your shirt? All you have to do is rub the material together and it'll come out like it never happened. Ugh, deciding on what to wear and seeing that there's pillies all over it? You're gonna look like a slob if you go out like that. All you need is a razor and to shave right over where the pillies are and they'll come right off like they never were there. So soft now and so much better. Trying to run out of the house quick and seeing that your shirt is wrinkly? Well, all you have to do is grab your hair straightener, go over the spots where it's wrinkly, and you'll be walking out of the house wrinkle-free. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the infomercial style of these fashion hacks. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to put in your post notifications because I'm uploading every day until July 21st and you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!